is the most chaotic deadline moment you've ever had during this course?
Don't even talk to me about that, Beth. I had a really...
That's a personal topic, guys.
Yeah.
What's it like working and doing a master's at the same time?
Girl, I don't even have time to schedule my crying from how tired I am. Like, no, I mean, I'm actually enjoying it quite a lot, and I feel like it really is paying off.
As we get closer to graduating, how are you actually feeling about entering the design industry?
I'm honestly very nervous.
Yeah.
I'm very nervous.
Yeah. That's fair.
But also, I do have hope.
Yeah.
I do have hope. Like, I just have no idea kind of where I'm going to end up.